For decades, gardeners and farmers have struggled with the constant cycle of fertilizing and watering. Traditional methods require frequent attention, and yet, even with careful care, plants often show signs of nutrient stress halfway through the season. I discovered a method that changed everything: slow-release mulch. This approach feeds plants continuously for an entire year, reduces labour and improves soil structure, all while mimicking natural processes observed in historical farming systems. Unlike conventional mulch that decomposes quickly and requires repeated replenishment, slow-release mulch breaks down gradually, steadily feeding plants and soil life. The impact is immediate and long-lasting. Beds mulched with this technique retain moisture, maintain fertility, and support robust root development. Slow-release mulch protects roots and encourages deep growth. Deep, steady nutrient availability encourages roots to grow downward rather than spreading shallowly. This makes plants more resilient to drought and temperature extremes. Unlike chemical fertilizers, which can burn roots or cause rapid but short-lived growth, slow-release mulch fosters steady, balanced development. Historical records indicate that farmers who layered organic matter in their fields achieved stronger crops with fewer interventions. Essentially an early version of what we now call sustainable soil management. For practical application, apply mulch at planting time and maintain it throughout the growing season. Even as the top layers decompose, the base continues to nourish roots, ensuring consistent growth and high resilience. The strategy reduces labour and dependence on external fertilizers. Because slow-release mulch feeds plants for months, gardeners spend less time fertilizing and monitoring soil nutrients. This is particularly valuable for larger plots, small farms, or urban gardens where time and resources are limited. By designing the mulch bed with multiple layers and varied decomposition rates, one application can last an entire year, effectively replacing several rounds of conventional fertilization. A practical approach is to create perennial mulch beds, where you layer coarse, medium and fine materials each year. Once established, these beds require minimal attention, maintaining soil fertility while supporting multiple planting cycles. Slow-release mulch works across different climates and crop types. Whether you are growing vegetables, fruit trees, grains or flowers, this method adapts to a variety of soil types and climatic conditions. In hot, dry regions, mulch retains soil moisture while slowly releasing nutrients. In wetter climates, it helps prevent nutrient leaching while still decomposing gradually. Raised beds, open plots, and even container gardens benefit from the same principles, making slow-release mulch a versatile tool for almost any gardening scenario. For larger gardens, divide beds into zones and rotate mulch materials to ensure continuous nutrient cycling. Incorporate local organic matter where possible, as this supports native microbes and accelerates decomposition. Slow-release mulch transforms soil into a self-sustaining ecosystem. The ultimate benefit of this method is that it creates living, resilient soil, capable of sustaining plants with minimal intervention. The combination of gradual decomposition, microbial activity and moisture retention leads to beds that can withstand drought, resist pests and produce abundant yields year after year. By applying this method, gardeners and farmers align their practices with nature's processes rather than fighting against them, creating a sustainable system that rewards patience and observation. For those ready to elevate their gardening practices, subscribe to Husbandry for more insights on historical techniques, modern adaptations, and low-effort methods that transform your soil. Share this guide with fellow gardeners and history enthusiasts and start building slow-release mulch beds to feed your plants consistently for 12 months straight.